Hi folks, James reporting here from Witwatersrand, or in Afrikaans, Witwatersrand, the so-called crypto capital of South Africa. I want to go through these very quickly. The market's about to open, so we've got very little time. I wanted to update you on a couple of things that are moving. Natural gas, first of all, and we've moved down below that support. We gapped down over the weekend and got down to this order block and the market structure break, and then went sideways for about 10 hours, and we've now started to move down again. We hedged our entire short position at this level, having locked in the profit on these shorts from the top. My broker rolls over the front month Henry Hub futures contract this week on Thursday, and what I'm hoping for is a move down into this order block around the $3 level before that time. Then I'll take profit on the short positions held from up here. I'll exit that long position and lock in the profit, the difference between the two, and then hope to rebuy at around about the $3 level. So that's my strategy on natural gas. Let's see how we go. We've locked in a decent 45-cent profit already, so no matter what happens, we've got that profit locked in. On WTI, we still have no positions, no longs and no shorts. I'm looking for a move up into about $67, $68 back into Moab to resell, and I do believe we've now entered a new range between $50 and $70. And the same with natural gas, and I think the bottom of the range is probably closer to $3 than it is to $2.50 or $2 like it has been and was last year. So I think we've got a new range in the energies market, slightly higher on natural gas, slightly lower on WTI. Let's scan through the rest of the markets very quickly. We're still long on the euro, a lower positions in profit. The next one's still going to catch up. We're still short on the dollar yen, just bouncing up a wee bit today, but generally quite good. A big, strong move down over the last 3 days. Please refer to yesterday's video and last week's videos for more detail on this. I'm still waiting to sell US dollar, Japanese yen, up into this level here, around the 200 and the 100 period moving averages and the Fibonacci levels, slightly higher than where we are. Although we did get through the trend line, rejected, turned around, it looks like we're moving down. When that starts moving down with a bit more vigor, we should see euro-yen moving down at the same time. We're still short on the Nasdaq, the S&P and the German 30. Refer to previous videos to find out why. And we also have a long position on Google. I'm looking to get into MSTR, Tesla, Coinbase, and perhaps Target and a couple of other names a little bit later on, depending on how this market works out. Of course, with the Moody downgrading of the USA, we should see some pressure on the indices, but it doesn't always work out like that. Sometimes, actually on both previous occasions, the market actually ended up rallying and closing higher. Maybe not that week, but a couple of weeks later. Getting across to Bitcoin, a bit of a pullback here with the stock markets moving down. Same with Ethereum and XRP. I added another small tranche to my Bitcoin longs here at about 102,500, and we're still short on gold and long on silver. I've explained the reason for this hedge in previous videos, including yesterday's video, so go and check that out. I'm also looking to add more long tranches on XRP and Ethereum if and when Bitcoin finds a base at around about the 20 period moving average, and perhaps at an outside chance we might have to get all the way back down to 93,000. Let's hope that doesn't happen, but at the same time it'll give us opportunity to reload some of our long positions, although we have quite a fair chunk already. On the dollar South African rand, we're still long, and we're still long on TLT. That's not looking good, I have to say. I'll deal with that a little bit later on when the market opens up. And then softs and grains, we're still short on cocoa. We talked about this in yesterday's video as well, and that's moving down nicely after basically what we did was we hedged the short position on a break above that level straight away. We took profit on the long side of the hedge up here and immediately added another short tranche. We're still short on coffee, moving down a little bit again today. Long on corn, cotton, wheat, soybeans, and sugar. Actually, we took profit on soybeans, forget that one, but we remain long on the rest, except for orange juice, and we're looking to get short on that. Looks like we may have started, maybe on a retrace back up into halfway of yesterday's candle, we might have a go at selling orange juice. And I think that's all, folks. Have a great trading day. It's a new start, a new week. We're in Bitcoin town, so we're going to be looking around a bit more. And if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe and consider joining the channel for $1 a month. There's a link below. Take care.
Got my mindset, ain't no time for no pain. Bulls and bears, man, they just can't compete. We're stacking our sets, won't accept no defeat. Come on, to the moon, baby, moving to the moon. All around the world, everybody sing the tune. Right now, hard or strong, crypto fever's coming soon. Bitcoin rally, y'all watch us break out of this cocoon. Late nights, early mornings, checking the charts. Got my wallet thick,